Good afternoon everybody, my name is Brian from Decanty and today I have another unboxing video for you. It is an absolute winter classic and gets spoken about a lot at this time of year. And that would be Mercedes-Benz Club Black. It's been on my hit list for a little while. So today I'm going to unbox it finally and give you guys my first impressions and what I think about it. So here we go. So, like I've already mentioned, today we've got another unboxing, and that is this baby. An absolute powerhouse apparently, according to a lot of people and their videos, and an absolute winter must-have. It's meant to be a bit of a vanilla bomb, and that is what we are going to find out today if it is. So, let's have a look at this absolute favourite and see what we got. So, there we go, we have the name of the brand, the line, and the flanker, which is Mercedes-Benz Club Black. Then also on the front we have the concentration, the amount, and that is it. Pretty plain all round. You've got a little authenticated holographic sticker because, you know, we don't go for that fake stuff. I almost swore. Then on the bottom you have your legal mumbo jumbo, ingredients, concentration, amount, blah blah blah, and the batch code is 0336H. So you guys can look that up and be a bit snoopy and see whether it was made 10 years ago or not. I will just say I got it from Superdrug. I think I got it for 35 quid. It actually seems to be surprisingly hard to find in the UK, Club Black. I don't know why. Doesn't seem to be that many people that sell it or retailers that sell it. So I managed to grab it while it was on sale in Superdrug. It does tend to go on sale quite a lot there, so grab it while you can, I guess. So here we go. Start at the top. For you ASMR lovers, you're gonna love that cling film sound. Oh, it's all shiny. That's nice. Very nice. High quality. To be fair, Mercedes-Benz boxes are pretty good quality. Right, here we go. Da-da, da-da. Not such high quality now that I've thrown it across the room. There you go. There's your bottle. Absolute classic apparently. Absolute winter must-have. Meant to be an absolute vanilla bomb. So there's the bottle, you've got your sort of ambery looking glass and your weird shaped sort of futuristic train or car. So you've got the name, brand, everything on the back. Your batch code again on the bottom, concentration and amount, blah 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 blah. So it is definitely, I don't know if you can see that, it's a fingerprint magnet straight off. Got that all over it, and I know a lot of people are actually going to hate that because people hate fingerprints. But overall, I have to say, I quite like the bottle. In the pictures, I wasn't too keen on the bottle shape or the way it looked. But now that I've got it here, I think it looks quite nice. Atomizer, if you can see that. Pretty much clear as day. After a few sprays, it might look like it disappears. But we'll have a look because we like our atomizer pipes to be clear and not very visible. Remember that. Is the sprayer. Trying to figure out how to do this. Did you notice, by the way, that my lights here now are orange because it's meant to be a wintry, warm feeling because it's a wintry fragrance with a warm feeling. Did you like that touch that I've added? I hope you do. I hope you guys loved it because the amount of production quality in these videos now is ridiculous. Okay, you guys should appreciate that more. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow, okay. Quite floral actually, like really floral. A lot more floral than I thought it would be. I do know that the notes in it are bergamot, jasmine and vanilla, but I'm quite surprised by how floral that actually smells. I am getting that vanilla now, which is very, very famous for. If you didn't know, Mercedes-Benz is literally described as like a vanilla bomb. People jokingly say that it's vanilla, vanilla, vanilla as the fragrance accords in it. It's not, but it's just the base, but apparently it's meant to be very strong in vanilla. But it's weird because for me, actually, I get quite a lot of the florals in it, which I think is the jasmine. I didn't really get much of the bergamot, but jasmine I get straight away, very florally. Almost smells a bit feminine with that. I don't know what to describe it as, what female fragrance it is, but it does smell like a female fragrance. I would almost go as far as to say that's actually kind of unisex. It'd be like a mature female fragrance, I think. Yeah, it smells nice. Wouldn't say it's exactly what I expected. Bit more floral than I really would like. But it does smell nice. The vanilla is definitely there. It is very strong. I probably shouldn't have sprayed as much as I did. I think I'm a little bit queasy now. Sprayed quite a lot. That doesn't reflect on the fragrance at all because that's a bit unfair. I did go a bit mad. But it is quite nice, quite pleasing. But like I said, it has this weird feminine touch to it. I don't know what fragrance it is. It does smell like a female fragrance. That won't come to my head. It will come to my head later on. I don't know what it is, but it's there. But at the moment, me personally, I would probably say I don't know if I feel 100% confident in wearing it. Just because I would feel like people would think it's a feminine fragrance. And me for one, I'm not huge on sort of unisex fragrances. I don't think it's actually listed as unisex, but definitely gives off that vibe. Quite floral. It's like a warm floral. I'll give it that. I think that's the vanilla and the jasmine doing that work there. Definitely getting that female vibe from it. It's awkward, really. I think it does smell nice, but I really wouldn't say it's that masculine at all. To be fair, it kind of smells edible as well, which is strange. It's weird because it's almost like it's for baking or something. I don't know. It's just a weird fragrance. I'm not going to lie, I'm a little disappointed by that. I don't think I'd feel confident wearing that. It's nice, don't get me wrong. If you're a female, I think you could definitely wear it. If you're a bit more mature, that is for sure. Like you're a bit older, I wouldn't expect early 20s to be wearing it. But I think it's okay. Wouldn't say it's amazing. Is it going to be on like my winter's recommendation list? Probably not, just because it's a bit too feminine for my liking. But whatever floats your boat. I mean, enough people do recommend it, and it's not been discontinued or anything like that. So obviously enough people buy it, and it's popular enough. So there you go. That's just my opinion. That is why fragrances are so amazing, because it's just opinions. I could wear it, and a lot of people could enjoy it and like it, but myself, I think I would be a bit annoyed by it just because it does smell a bit feminine, and it would be in the back of my mind quite a lot. I'll be overthinking it and thinking that I'm uncomfortable with it. But hey, you know, it wasn't too expensive. That's just the issue with blind buying, I guess, is that you don't do enough research and you end up with something that you're not overly keen on or not what you expected. I don't know. I don't think I would personally wear it. Projection and longevity, I do think are meant to be quite good. But for me, I don't think I would want that to be the case with this. I think I might put that on my miss list. Once it's used up, don't get another bottle. Not overly keen on it, actually, at all. It seems to have calmed down a little bit now, but yeah, nah. I know that's a bit of a disappointing video, really. Not what a lot of you were probably expecting, because this fragrance has a lot of hype around it. But in general, I am not very happy with that. Bit feminine, not what I was expecting. It's definitely wintry, like a lot of people say it is. Definitely got a lot of vanilla in it, but it's just too floral for my liking, and I can't really oversee that. I'll try wearing it for a little while, see if my opinion changes a bit, but I can see that it is. It's just, I don't know, a little disappointed actually. So that is Mercedes-Benz Club Black. A little black box of disappointment for me, but for a lot of people, an absolute phenomenal fragrance that they would recommend to the highest hilt. So that is that. Mercedes-Benz Club Black. Not overly impressed with. Not a great way to end the video, but anyway, thank you for watching. That was my unboxing of probably one of the most popular winter fragrances on the market. And it wasn't great. That was my opinion. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you have a different opinion of it, because I know a lot of people would, let me know, tell me what you think. But for me, too floral, too feminine, not very enjoyable. Thank you very much. See you in the next one. A little bit of an addition to the video. I actually took this in for my missus to go smell the fragrance, and she as well actually said it smells like old ladies. So yeah, it's not just me that thinks it. I don't know what it is about the fragrance. I think it's just the florals and the vanilla. It gives off a very mature old lady vibe. No offense to you older women out there, but yeah, it's a weird fragrance. Quite disappointed by it actually now. Thank you.